everyone. I'm Anna, and welcome to Teacher Anna English Stories, the podcast where learning English feels natural and fun.
And I'm Mark. Today, we're talking about making plans with friends, how to use future tense in everyday English conversations.
Exactly. You'll learn how to say what you're going to do, how to invite someone, and how to talk about weekend plans. Now, get comfortable, grab your coffee, and let's practice together. Listen, learn, try. Anna, what are you going to do this weekend?
I'm going to visit my parents. And you, Anna?
I'm going to meet my friends for lunch.
Perfect example. We're using going to talk about future plans.
Exactly. Repeat after us. I'm going to visit my parents. I'm going to meet my friends. Good job. Let's learn some useful future phrases. I'm going to plan future. I'll quick decision or promise. Maybe I'll possible plan. Let's suggestion.
Examples. I'm going to watch a movie. I'll call you later. Maybe I'll go for a walk. Let's go to the park.
Perfect. Repeat after me slowly. I'm going to watch a movie. I'll call you later. Great, you're doing great.
Let's do a small dialogue.
Hi, Mark. Do you want to go out this weekend?
Sure. What are you going to do?
I'm going to try the new coffee shop.
Sounds great. I'll come with you.
Perfect. Let's repeat some key lines. Do you want to go out this weekend? What are you going to do? I'll come with you.
Try to answer using your own ideas. What are you going to do this weekend? Excellent.
Let's learn how to invite and accept or refuse politely. Invite. Do you want to? Would you like to? Let's accept.
Sure, that sounds fun. I'd love to. Yes, let's do it.
Refuse politely. I'm sorry, I can't. Maybe next time. I'm going to stay home tonight.
Example. Hey, Anna, would you like to go to the movies?
I'd love to, but I'm going to visit my family.
Good. Always polite and natural.
Perfect. Always polite in your back, always reach my customer. It's Alex makes future tense with daily habits. Repeat after me. I drink coffee every morning. And tomorrow, I'm going to try tea. I study English every day. Next week, I'm going to watch a movie in English.
I walk in the park, and this weekend I'm going to go with my friends. Nice. Connecting your present habits with future actions helps you sound more fluent.
Yes, practice every day. It really works. You're doing great. Keep practicing.
Let's review together. Repeat after us. I'm going to. I'll. Maybe I'll. Let's.
Perfect. Now let's make 3 short sentences. I'm going to call my friend. I'll visit my parents next weekend. Let's have dinner together.
Very good. You sound more natural already.
And we learned a lot today. Today we learned how to make plans with friends using the future tense. I'm going to, I will, maybe I will, let's.
You can use these phrases in real life to talk about your weekend, your goals, or even tonight's dinner plans.
Now it's your turn. Fun question. What are you going to do this weekend?
Tell us in the comments. We'd love to read your answers.
Remember, listen, learn, try. Good job today. You're doing great. Keep practicing.
Thanks for listening to Teacher Anna English Stories. See you next time.
See you.